data organization. Genius is a smart control for gateways, areas, intrusion alarm systems. What are we doing? Actually, we are an innovative startup based in Italy, but we have developed together with Switzerland technology which works with existing alarm systems. Our patent technology can be actually customized to any customer-specific need. We adapt to any kind of sensors, presence, or on and off sensors. And actually, we check if an object, which could be a person, an animal, or a vacuum cleaner, for example, so facility management, is allowed or not in a certain facility, while keeping your alarm system still and all the time on. We interact with existing alarm systems in that we recognize an allowed object inside a facility without the need to turning off the alarm system. Upon motion or access detection, the detector part checks whether you have a valid access tag, and if it's okay, everything is okay, you are allowed inside without even the need of authenticating yourself. As I said, our system is composed by three parts. The one is the detector part. We attach our detector part to the actual sensor of your alarm system, and it has the function to inhibit or actually activate, if you're not allowed, that set surveillance system sensor. Then we have a tag, which is worn by the person, the pet, or actually the object, like a vacuum cleaner. And if the tag is recognized by the system and you're allowed inside, then you can go in without any worries. Everything is managed by the third part of our system, which is the app, and the app can fully customize to your needs and integrate it to any surveillance system available. Actually, while keeping your alarm system on, you are allowed to access your facility in a safe way, and at the same time, we can even log in your scanning area. For example, for security people, security personnel scanning your facility when the alarm is on during night rounds, for example. A practical example, private house in Italy. We know there are a lot of burglars coming in while you're sleeping in your house. And even if you have an alarm system, usually when you are in your house you turn it off, but with our allergen system you can still leave it on and sleep well with the alarm system fully functioning, like an autonomous surveillance management for individual rooms and floor. So our base is in Alghero, Sardinia. Very proud of being there, and thank you for Sardinia, to Sardinia region for bringing us here. I'm available for any question or combine the with number 1 in the Sardinia area. Thank you.
Thank you, Andrea. Clap your hands for Genius, the first Sardinian startup. A quick question, which is your market in Sardinia now or in Italy?
Actually, our market is the world, because we are available and compatible with any kind of alarm system, being it existing, wired, wireless, or any kind of sensors.
You already some customers?
We are some POC running in Sardinia area, and we are looking for partnerships with national and international customers in order to explode with the numbers.
A good reason to be here.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you,
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. The second